guess where I'm at. The acorn. I am in Georgia. You guys. And we are here at Eric's residence. And you guys, look at it, is foggy, humid. Look at this sweet ride though. It's Eric's son. This car. Love that Corvette. What you guys think? So you guys, I'm down here. We're gonna go mowing. I got here about 2 in the morning, you guys, and it is about almost 8 in the morning right now. And we're gonna. Eric's got a few accounts. We're gonna go do some mowing. And oh man, I'm thirsty. Jeez, you got a fridge out here, huh?
It's on the back porch. We got a little mini fridge.
Sweet, dude. That's a sweet ride.
Yeah, he loves it.
Oh man. Hey, who mulches your yard here?
Oh, actually, I had Avery do it.
Avery did.
Yeah. About a month and a half ago, we put it out.
Sweet.
Otherwise, it's just dirt.
Yeah.
My yard was, when I first moved in, it looked like that. All that
Okay.
stuff. And ivy everywhere, so
Yeah.
I just sprayed it and killed everything, and so I gotta spray all this little stuff.
Jeez, I can't believe they sell this stuff.
Straw, I know. Yeah, bales of straw.
We get rid of that.
See, the straw was, I think I put out 70 bales.
Okay.
And so it was probably about $250 for straw.
Yeah, but I mean, it cleans it up.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Looks
I mean,
nice.
nice. You know, even.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. But yeah, that's a sweet ride.
Yeah. Yeah.
How you get in and out of this thing?
It's tough, man. You go down, you feel like you just keep going until you finally hit bottom.
Oh man, let me see the inside of that thing.
Dirty right now.
Yeah. Dude, I've never actually been in a Corvette, bro. Let me see how you fit.
Chrissy saw it.
Jesus.
Chrissy drove it this morning.
Oh my God, it is, dude. You gotta have that all the way back.
Yeah.
Wow. This is low.
Oh, I know. You feel like you're literally like inches off the ground. This is
yeah, I know. Pretty fast.
Oh, man. I'm just afraid I'm gonna get a call if he's in jail. And it's not because he's a horrible kid or horrible guy, but it's because he made a decision to try and outrun somebody.
That is sweet. You see, I want a black one.
What's that?
My dream is to have a black Corvette, black Chevy. Well, I got that ready. Yeah.
Yep, they can match.
Yeah.
Family of Chevys.
Yeah. All right, guys.
2019.
What's that?
Smoother now, huh?
Oh yeah.
19.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, Eric. So what do we have here? What you got here?
This is my oldest one. I got this one in 2016. Oldest one now. And it's a 48-inch CRZ, Bobcat CRZ.
Yes.
And
Put that in. This is the new
You
purchase.
wouldn't believe it, as dirty as nasty as it is, but it's a 2020
Okay.
Pro-Cat.
Sweet.
Bobcat Pro-Cat. It's a 52-inch.
Because what did you have before?
We had the
before
XRZ
that?
Pro before that, 52-inch, and we liked the deck size, but we wanted to step up one more grade.
Okay.
And it was a Pro.
Yeah.
So we went ahead and went to the Pro-Cat, and it's like a tank.
Yeah.
I mean, it's heavy, and which is good, but you got to be careful a little bit on some soft areas, you know, because you can get stuck.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's what happens.
Tires are much bigger.
Oh, much
way
bigger. And they hold, man, this thing will hold a hill. You can get sideways on a hill.
Yeah.
And I mean, it doesn't make you, you know, hold your breath or anything. It'll really do it. So.
That is sweet.
Then we're trying that Darwin grip out on that still.
Have you used it? Do you know
That's the one Brian uses.
We like ours.
Do you like it?
Yeah, we finally got it.
Yep.
It was weird. I'd ask Emily too, like in the beginning.
Yeah.
She's like, it's weird, but it doesn't make you go like this.
Yeah, I think
up.
you need to put that on right because it's all loose. The handle part is like it doesn't slide back and forth, but feel the handle, it'll move back and forth.
He must be big because ours is like way up here.
See, maybe that's where he needs to do this.
That's what ours is, like up here, like right here. And so we're holding it like.
But see, he's got long arms.
Yeah, he's probably got long arms then. Yeah.
He's
Holy cow! His is almost down to
it just came out of adjustment. So. But,
yeah.
But yeah, this is.
No, I don't mind it.
Yeah.
But now, but it does. You don't hurt your back, but
Yep.
now you actually your wrist. I think because your wrist is holding it now.
And I may try to get you, but I don't know. It seems awkward to me right
Yeah,
now.
it is awkward.
Yeah.
It is.
But then we got that equipment defender rack for the Red Max.
Okay.
I like it. It does well. Although these bolts keep coming
me
loose, so
see
it
that.
slides back and forth. These bolts right there.
Bolts. Okay.
And then
Oh,
too,
that's to hold that. Okay.
this piece right here that holds this, I'm gonna take this off because it seems like I'm fighting this every time. If everything's not in the right spot to go in there, I don't think I need it because I think this bar will just hold it on. So I don't think I need that.
Weird. Okay, just show me how. Just take it out and
Take it off?
see. Yeah, see how.
Pop that bar.
Yep. I want to see how you actually put it in. Like, just say you come back from. Okay.
So that quick to get it off.
Yep.
But to come back, set the bottom part in. I go ahead and put the wand in, and that went in easier than normal.
Right.
It's in.
Okay.
If that wasn't there, it just pop right in with no problem.
Okay.
So, and that's adjustable for different size blowers.
Yeah.
And I think I'm gonna take it off altogether.
Yeah. Okay. Green Touch is.
It's more of a.
You put it in, and then that swing. It swings, and you just lock it. Yeah.
So if I get that off and it goes real smoothly, then I'll get another one for the smaller Red Max over there.
Yeah. Okay. And what?
Now we were using, this is an older Honda. It seems to run pretty good, but we were using the Red Max push more, and that's got a Honda engine, but it's more of a homeowner's model the way it's built.
Right.
And the wheel just broke off of it yesterday, so we had to swap them out. So Brian likes using that. I don't do much push mowing, he does.
Yeah.
And he likes using it just because it's real lightweight, you know.
Okay.
You both know a heavy push mower is kind of a pain, you know.
Right. What size trailer you got?
16 foot.
16?
Yep, 16 foot. And we've always thought, if I took that toolbox off, we'd have more room.
Yeah. But you don't, you need the toolbox.
You know what I mean?
That's nice. You guys have this right here. I like that.
I had a friend of ours put that on for the.
That is, dude, that's.
That way you can use that space.
Yeah, that space.
And this isn't organized by any means, but if you look in here, you kind of need all this stuff.
Oh,
you
yeah,
know?
yeah.
I mean, my ratchet, changing blades.
It's kind of nice to just say I have
I have everything here, you know?
Right.
Oh,
yeah.
I'd have more space if I took it out. I don't want all that junk in the truck.
Right.
As it is, the truck's up enough. Well, the CRZ's got right 900 hours on it.
Yeah, wow.
We've only had this a couple months, and it's just got just over 100, 110, 20 hours on it.
That's what I.
That CRZ gets stuck, you can get off of it and just jerk it around, you know.
Yeah, light enough.
Yeah, because it weighs about half the weight.
Okay. Sweet. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you along how Georgia grass cuts. I've never cut any Georgia grass here, so it might be different from us up north in Minnesota. I came down here, hang out with Eric, and see his operation, and just to hang out mostly, So Eric's a good friend, and I thought, heck, let's do some work too. So, all right, guys, take you along. I'm gonna hop in the truck with him, and then we're gonna go pick up his partner. It's a nice house. Alright guys, check out this grass. It is way different from us up north. Look at that. It's weird looking.
That's kind of high right now for Bermuda.
That's high, Bermuda?
Yeah, a lot of people cut it like it 2 inches. They cut Bermuda at 2 inches.
She says I feel all that ground cover right there back in the trailer in here, but I don't think that's the case.
Geez, we cut ours at like 4
4
inch.
Yeah.
Man, I used to cut this. It's probably, what is it now? 3 3 1/4.
Yeah.
I used to cut it on like 1 3/4. Years
I mean,
and years.
because
It
it's
doesn't burn it or
it's almost like
anything?
carpet, no.
Like if you guys cut it low?
It'll take the green off of it a lot of times.
But
Yeah.
it's, I mean, it's Bermuda. That's what it's for. I mean,
Okay. It's weird, yeah.
Yeah.
Huh. What else is there? Bermuda and what? Anything else?
We'll have zoysia. You'll see zoysia today when we go to Peter's. That one, I took him to Peter's house.
Okay.
He was here a few years ago. And then we'll see some fescue maybe.
Excuse.
But then we got a lot of just junky grass. Yeah.